Hello, my name is Danielle Bailey, and thank you for joining us for another Frontier Precision Tech Talk. In today's session, we will be going over advanced data dictionary creation in Pathfinder Office for use in TerraSync. Today's session is a continuation of data dictionary basics. If you're unsure what exactly a data dictionary is, please refer to our previous Tech Talk. In today's session, the steps we will take are to open Pathfinder Office, edit existing data dictionary file we created in the previous Tech Talk, create conditional attributes, save our data dictionary file, preview in TerraSync, and it's ready for use in the field. The attribute types that we're able to use within Pathfinder Office are menu, multiple choice, a numeric, text, date, time, and a file name, associated file, or a photo. These are going to be important once we set up some conditional statements. Field entry settings. What this does is this allows a data dictionary creator to configure what needs to be added by a field user. Feature, repeat, include, and repeat. What this does is that this allows a field user to repeat the attributes that were added for a previous feature into a following feature. To omit from repeat would create the need for a field user to enter in a unique information for each feature. On creation on update, what this does is that each individual attribute can be optional or normal, required, not permitted, or not visible. This is especially useful if there's a piece of information that is absolutely imperative that is collected in the field. A data dictionary creator can make that required, so the feature is not able to be logged until that information is entered. This will be more apparent once we actually look at an example within TerraSync. Conditional attributes are used to create a basic conditional statement and if-then statement to control what the field user sees in relation to what they need to collect. So, for example, on this chart that we have on the screen, if the condition of a light pole is poor, then we can require a photo. If the condition of that light pole is poor, we can also require a comment. We can make sure that using the field entry settings, that number of lights is required, date of update, we can make that not visible. So this allows the field user to not see any attributes that may not be required to be entered for every single feature. A lot of what this does is that it cuts down on time at each feature and its ease of use for the field user. So to get started, we're going to open up Pathfinder Office and open our data dictionary editor. We're going to go to File, Open, and open our existing data dictionary. What we're going to do here is check out the condition of one of our attributes. So we're going to click on Condition. We're going to look over to the side, and as you see, it says on creation normal, on update normal. So we're going to edit that attribute and change it. So we see here we have the option for feature repeat, include and repeat or omit. We've got field creation, normal, required. We're going to change this to required. We're going to hit OK. We're going to open up our comment. And we're going to make this so it's only visible when our condition of our light pole is poor. So we're going to open that up, click on Edit Attribute. We're going to go to Not Visible on Field Entry and Not Visible on Update. Then we're going to go to Change our conditional statement. We're going to enable the condition, change the condition to poor. And if it has those settings, then we're going to make the comment required. Hit OK. Then we're going to go to our date, edit our attribute. We're going to make this not visible so it doesn't show up to the field user. Hit OK. We're going to do the same thing for time. So time, edit attribute. Click on not visible. And hit OK. On our photo, we're going to click on Photo, Edit Attribute. We're going to make it not visible. And we're going to change our condition, enable our condition, and make it required when the condition is poor. Hit OK. and OK again. Now we're going to save it and preview in TerraSync. So we'll click on Preview in TerraSync. Click on our light pole. As you can see then, once we change the condition of our light pole, our conditional statements will show up in our data dictionary. So when we change it to good, our attributes don't show up, but then once we turn it back to poor, then our comment and our photo come up, and they are required. Thank you for joining us for this Frontier Precision Tech Talk. We hope that you found it beneficial and will join us next time.